How to get extra storage on Google Photos. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to let you know the ways to get extra storage on Google Photos. So what you need to do is to buy more storage with Google One. You just have to follow the steps. Now on your Android phone, you need to open the Google One app. So go to your Play Store and install Google One app. Once it is completely installed, click the open button. And then at the top, you just have to go ahead and press the settings or the menu bar. So press the try bar icon and go to settings. Or you could also go ahead and press on membership plan. On this page, you could go ahead and tap on change membership plan and select your new storage limit, and to confirm the new plan price, tap on agree, select your payment method, and then tap on subscribe. When you do that, you should be able to get extra storage on Google Photos. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.